I've been told I need to be very quick, much quicker, because I bore you. Ciao guys, how are you? Let's unbox this MacBook Pro M2 Max. I'm not a tech channel, but maybe, I can give you some different point of view. Why should I? I tried to cancel my personal information, or I don't know what I did. This is a 14 inches MacBook Pro with 12 core CPU and 30 core GPU, 64 gigs of RAM, which is amazing. I've never had anything so powerful. 1 terabyte of memory because I basically work online with Google Drive and I don't need more space than that. This is the most powerful machine I've ever had in my life. There is no plastic anymore. They were usually covered in this very thin plastic that you the satisfying part. It's not there anymore. They seal it this way. The box is very thick. I don't think I have to talk about the design of this because everybody already said it's like 10 years ago MacBook Pro and I love it. Not super light. I own a MacBook Air now and you can tell the difference. The Apple is very big and it's basically a mirror, so it will get dirty in no time. Incision is amazing. Well, everything is very much detailed. It gives you the usual feeling of Apple that every detail is so important and everything is in the right place. We have the MagSafe for charging, 2 USB-C and this jack. On the other side, this for cards, which is the most important thing they brought back. Another USB-C and this HDMI. Let's get into what's in the box. Yeah, this is my new desk and I destroyed it already with, my elbows. I don't know. This is very thick. This cable is, I read, one of the most appreciated upgrades because everything changed about it. It's not plastic anymore. It's made with this fiber that I guess will make it last longer. Dear God. Okay, bye. The color of it matches your color of choice, so it's all well coordinated. Nice touch. And the USB-C on the other side. The result is a bit weird because one side is metal and the other one is the usual white plastic. I don't know. Together is something is off. The overall feeling of this is very good. I love this. The charger. This is the standard one, 96 watt. All the spaces for all these parts are seamless, very detailed and curated, and I love this. This is cool. The papers, oh, look at that. There is like a thickener, some carton that thickens up this bag. You only got these papers out of this. I don't think you need me to go through the instructions of this. Keep in mind that you will find these basic instructions to start with, and there's technical informations, more technical informations with, instructions and stuff to know. Why do they keep placing those? Do you actually use those? I've never saw them in my life. They will go where all the other ones went. Recycle it. Let's see what we are left with, which is our amazing brand new MacBook Pro. I will not make configurations with you. This is just an overall experience of opening it and feeling it. If you want me to go through tests and stuff with these configurations, just let me know. We can do that together. Oh, very fancy, very delicate foil that protects your display. Can you see me? I don't know. The inside of the keyboard is black as the keyboard itself, and it's the first time, I guess, which makes it very elegant. The perception of everything, every detail and every border is very premium. Also, it's the first time for me with the notch. The borders in here are very thin. I didn't think they were so thin. I have a MacBook Air, the M1, totally another concept. This is absolutely thought to put yourself into the screen, absolutely meant for another level of experience. This configuration comes in Italy for 42.59 euros, so it's not cheap at all. Are you thinking of buying one? Did you just buy one? Do you have anything you would like to share? Do that down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!